Hello students, in this video we will talk about the role of microbes in industrial products. In previous video we have discussed the role of microbes in to prepare household things or to prepare the household products. Now in this video we will talk about the role of microbes in industrial products. You know, microbes are very helpful to prepare various type of industrial products, and in the book we will study the example that microbes are helpful to make beverages and antibiotics. The two significant role of microbes we will study, one into making the beverages product and another in the formation of antibiotics. What are beverages? Various kind of alcoholic products in which ethanol are produced with the help of fermenting activity of microbes. We are talking about the production of various product at industrial level. So there is in industrial application there is a need to produce these microbes at large level or at large scale. So guys, when we are using these microbes at large scale, so we use a big vessels in the industrial application, and these big vessels in which microbes are grown for the fermentation process further are known as fermenters. These big vessels are further known as fermenters, in which microbes are grown for the further industrial purposes. Now, first we will talk about the role of microbe in beverages industry. What is beverages industry? I told you earlier that in beverages, what are beverages product? Ethanol product that have alcohol, especially ethanol in them. So these in beverages industry, the used microbe is what a kind of yeast that we have studied earlier, and this is what baker's yeast, named as Saccharomyces cerevisiae. The role of this yeast you have studied earlier in household product. Now we will study the role of this yeast in industrial product to further develop alcoholic beverages. This Saccharomyces cerevisiae is also used to, as I told you, to make the alcoholic product. So it is also, in term of this beverages industry, this is also referred as brewer's yeast. It is also referred as brewer's yeast. This microbe is also referred as this. Now, what happened further? These brewer's yeast or Saccharomyces cerevisiae ferment the malted cereals. This microbe ferment the malted cereals. Malted cereals or fruit juice. Ferment malted cereal or fruit juice at large level in fermenters for the preparation or for the formation of various type of alcoholic products or alcoholic beverages that you might know. They are brandy, whiskey, rum, etc. What is malting? Malting is what? A kind of controlled germination. As I told you that malted cereal is further fermented by these microbes. So what are malted cereal? Malting is what? A kind of controlled germination that further dried up, and then further there is a then further it is going through a fermenting procedure. So the further ethanol product are developed. On the basis of procedure of fermentation, on the basis of process of fermentation, the alcoholic products are of two types. The alcoholic product are of two types. One is with distillation and another is without distillation. The fermentation, by the process of fermentation, we have developed alcoholic products in fermenters or large vessels. They are of two types based on the nature of that matter that is further going to ferment. And these two types are, one is with distillation and another beverage is of without distillation. The example of without distillation is what? Wine and beer. And with distillation is what? Rum, brandy and whiskey. These are what the type of beverages that are further prepared with the help of brewer's yeast. Now, another industrial application of microbe is what? In the preparation of antibiotics. The preparation of antibiotics. What are antibiotics? If you try to analyze the literal meaning, literal means anti means against. Anti means against, or biotics is generally what? Life. So if you talk about the literal meaning of antibiotic, means what? They are against life. But in case of human, when we are developing antibiotics, they are not against life, they are pro-life. They are pro-life to humans or mankind, and they are the supporter. They are the supporter of human, or they are the supporter of mankind. You know what is antibiotic? And antibiotics are developed from the microbes. Antibiotics are what? Develops from the microbes to kill the other microbes. To kill the other microbes that are harmful. That are harmful or responsible to create any kind of disorder or disease in our body, that we have discussed in the chapter Human Health and Disease. So antibiotics are that prepared from microbes, and that is used to kill or retard the growth of other microbes that are supposed to be harmful in our body. You know, the very first and common example of the preparation of antibiotic is what? The chance discovery is what? The chance discovery of a very common and popular antibiotic, penicillin. You know, a very common example of the formation of antibiotics with the help of microbe is what? Chance discovery of penicillin. You know, there is a scientist, Alexander Fleming. When Alexander Fleming is working on a bacteria, and that bacteria is Staphylococci. That bacteria is what? Staphylococci. So in their experimental setup, they prepare a setup of approx 10 to 12 petri dishes, and these 10 to 12 petri dishes, containing bacteria Staphylococci in them, and when they are doing various experiments, then they notice that in one petri dishes bacteria are not growing. In one petri dish, Alexander Fleming noticed that bacteria are not growing in that petri dishes. When further he investigated that petri dish, then he found that in that petri dish, there is a formation or there is a development of a special kind of mold or fungi, special kind of mold and fungi named as Penicillium notatum. In a dish where bacteria are not developing, he found that there is a formation of a special type of mold or fungi, that is a Penicillium notatum, and because of this, because of the presence of these fungus or mold, the bacteria in these petri dish is not developing, because this fungi is simply killing or stopping the growth of this bacteria. So in such a way, there is a chance discovery of a type of very first antibiotic, that is further referred as penicillin on the name of these fungi, and later on so many type of fungi were discovered from so many type of microbes. And guys, you know, in nowadays we can't imagine our life without these antibiotics.